Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a very recommended video. So you guys really loved my 67 video ideas that will blow up. So I decided that I'd make a video like this, but fall related. Without further ado, let's just get on into the video. So I'm reading them off my laptop, so that's why I'm looking here. The first idea is a fall morning routine. Any type of routine to do with the season always does really well. A fall night routine, a fall after school routine, a preparing for fall video where you like decorate your room, you put on fall candles, just get yourself ready for fall. Fall hairstyles. I love watching hairstyle videos and I think that they do really well. A fall makeup routine, a fall outfit of the week and fall outfit ideas, a fall week in my life, a fall clothing haul. Clothing hauls always do really well. Make sure to make a try on haul and for the haul to be at least 10 minutes. People like watching really long hauls with a lot of things. So you can always do a fall collective haul where you show everything you got over the past few months. A fall Bath & Body Works haul. Everyone gets their fall candles from Bath & Body Works. Bath & Body Works candles are just such a fall staple. Redecorating my room for fall. A fall room tour once you're done redecorating. Fall favorites. All your favorite products that you've been using this fall. A study with me because school has started and it's getting intense. School vlog. School vlogs do so well. I can't vlog at my current school, but if I ever get the chance to, school vlogs are just so fun and they always do really well. A fall bucket list for 2019. I'm filming this video and it is coming out soon. Just stay tuned for that one. Fall Q&A. That is also coming soon. I can't wait to film more Q&As on my channel. I just want to be more open with you guys and honest about things you want to know about me. 50 things to do when you're bored in fall. A school story time. I want to film more story times, but I'm not that good at storytelling. But if you guys have interesting stories or just embarrassing like school stories, definitely film a story time because people love listening to these story times. A skincare routine. This always does really well. A Apple product unboxing. This is the season where Apple is releasing new items. I recently did a MacBook unboxing video. I really liked filming an unboxing. It was super exciting to open the MacBook with you guys. Your workout routine for fall. Fall glow up transformation. I've seen like hot girl fall transformations. A college dorm tour. A college week in my life / school week in my life. A productive day in my life, like you catching up on your homework, studying. A what's in my sports bag video because football season, if you do cheer, like a what's in my cheer bag. I really love watching those. A bake with me. Maybe you can bake like apple pie, pumpkin pie, something fall related. A commentary video. Those are always great, season long. If there's anything you really want to speak out upon, just do it. A fall unpopular opinions video. Unpopular opinions always do well. People just love hearing like your slightly popular opinions. I actually made a list of unpopular opinions, but I never got to filming it, but I definitely will soon. Your favorite books to read in the fall time. Everyone comment down below your favorite books because I've really been getting into reading and I really like romance books, so if you know any good romance books, just leave them down below because I'll totally read them. Family members pick out my outfits for school. Best friend picks my outfits out for school and guy friends picks out my outfits for school and girlfriend / boyfriend picks my outfits out for school. Usually the guy friends and girlfriend / boyfriend does really well because people just like that content. I did one for guy friends and it did really well. I definitely recommend that you guys do a guy friends picks my outfits out. I had to private it because I can't film at my school, but once I graduate middle school, I'll unprivate it and you guys can go check it out. How to grow your YouTube channel. This one does well all season long. I filmed a ton of these videos. If you guys want to see my YouTube guide playlist, just click the I up there because I have so many videos on how to grow your YouTube channel and I swear they will help you so much. What's on my iPhone. A what's in my backpack. Top 10 Netflix shows that you've been loving right now. It seems like Netflix been taking away every single good thing that I like from there, so I'd really appreciate if someone would make a video like this so I could find some new shows to watch. Trying my subscribers' favorite fall Starbucks drinks. Recreating fall Starbucks drinks, like a DIY where you go get the recipes and recreate it yourself. Showing people that you can make these drinks for much cheaper. This is kind of a creative one that I haven't seen before, but carve a pumpkin with me. An apple orchid vlog. I think that these are so cute and I love watching them. A football game vlog and like a get ready with me for the football game. I really want to do one of these, but like in my town, like the thing is closed and like I don't know, like I don't even know when the football games are. I haven't gone to any football games this season, but I really want to. School dance, get ready with me. I really wish my school had more dances because I think that'd be so fun. A fall sick day with me. A little like, I skipped school for a day. Number 50 is 50 fall ideas that will blow up. I swear, these video ideas videos will do so well. Just post it. Okay, help your fellow small YouTubers out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you took away some ideas from this video and are able to recreate them and get the results that you were looking for. If you guys want to see another one of these, I will make another video ideas video if this video gets to 10,000 likes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and share this video with a friend. That's all I gotta say, and I'll see you guys in the next one.